Share this video, guys. Please, guys, share this video.
Single mothers, when some can know, passeio. Eddie, bebo no caiace. Eddie, bebo no au caiace no vai. Ono na osi, dona so de we be. Ono na osi, na we pack we, o so de we be. Ono na osi, bebo no uso nene na pa wari. Ono na osi, nene pa wari.
What's already? I greet you now, but that's time. You're gonna do one or two things, not understand. We'll play music first, but we'll go straight to talk to this small boy. You understand? We'll talk to small boy. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better start Wahala already. I must greet you all who are also tall. I love you, not sure. I for now is any cut you could. A doe, a boy, buepo, we boy you. You understand now? So, Enogie, we when I believe here, it is like I cover atrocity in our home. By you understand? It will not work, it will not stand, it will not come to pass. You know, it's just for so fortunately where you don't even know memoir. Me, I don't want you to put it by Ikbulefu. Yaka Tikbule, they may do it, you know. Yeah, drag you. Wow, you're running here. Wow, you're best of everywhere. Wait to the crack. You're not the best of the man. You're not the heck of the man. No, the ship. No, the ship will be disgraced of women. You not disgraced on your right contact. I've been on you. I've been on you. What you open, what you wear.
Only party or door. You can't come away. Until you give me DNA. If you give me DNA, case closed. I'll tell you sorry. If not me, I don't know. If not me, I'll say no problem. I'll quit. And I will apologize to you. But if you say that me get time, yes sir, I'll collect that ticket for your hand. And I'll tell the coach, I'm going to say, I don't want to see Enogie around my child. It's a party, everything. I don't want to see you around my ticket. I don't want to see you around my ticket, okay? Because you're not going to go up to this. And not like one of the many atrocity and okay, commit to you. Here we say, a baby, baby, mama, you said, I'll be papa. Wow, that came here was his 4 years. I have one way to you. We're married, one way to you. We're married. We may have the last two, 3, let's say, I think March or February, last this year. I was in there. When the law will go, we are with you. We got me away, Mopino, our poor. Who bother one of you? After you say that kind of word to me.
Yeah.
And I was go and make a video.
Oh, yeah. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better Star Water right there. This same guy do this video. Enogie, this guy say Enogie go do DNA test to show if they get the picking or Enogie gets him. For the picking we do with you for hustle. Picking we they train all this year. Some men do this stupid. Enogie is too solo. Enogie can't go beg this guy. When he begs this guy, Enogie can't see the guy come up for a live video. Can't talk to a lie. Say na Saga use and Saga. Which the guy no see, not be lying and truth. The guy refused to do the live video. Enogie come out of live video, come apologize for this guy publicly. Say all this people give this guy na Saga. But this guy not come out to apologize to Enogie. This thing happened indoor. Don't get the kind of come out to. I get all the audios, I get everything. This guy no come out to apologize to Enogie. Enogie now move, go Sharon, go lay curse on the enemy of this guy. Think say as he lay that curse, this guy with the fear. You know, say this guy on that juju man. Where he lie on the juju. Now the guy okay, now juju one follow come. Oh yeah, they will use juju one. This guy don't serve Enogie. I also on paper as to speak now. Now this weekend, and they go there. Including the Sharon man, when we go through for this guy, they know this guy serve their paper. He served the pass. This thing was fish because you don't feel the surface. We start to not hear from the person mat. You know, not going to pass by the way this guy said like on the way. What they go that she lie, or you go do DNA test. You don't get the cover up. I don't call your conscience. I just talk of my life. You know, and say you get the same place you go reach. Not to the shots where you talk to children. When you talk to children, not to the shots. You will just look at your laugh. If you want to laugh, that you laugh, that you drink beer. I want you. Do my drink. My sister not the house. Now we'll turn out this so. We'll turn out this so. So yesterday night when I see me for live video. Now I reach the city we are gone. I see my ass, no sleep throughout the night. You understand? Since yesterday night, we do that video, I thought to that time, I mean, whatever she did, yash. Now they join it now. Now they come down. I need to do one or two things. Let me get it past. I'll work with that play big guy, boy. Into hustle. So as I do my work, like I see this clear Enogie something, making no say, that cannot be leather. What we need now is for you to go and do DNA tests. Whether you go sword juju, you go Sharon, you don't go Sharon. We don't want to hear that one. Come out on social media, give us DNA test of Nora. Let us know who Nora belongs to. The reason why Nora never say talk by now, at this time, Nora Yeguan. The twins when you born, John Nora, that's how they talk. Even the Etios are they talk, but Nora never say they talk. Oga, go do DNA test. That's kind of things we don't understand about that guy. Immediately the guy locate the real biological father. He goes start the talk. That guy goes start the talk. That's the way a man will not be can talk to them. If he say, Mama Nora, not being get, not be Enogie get that pikin. Man, go think about your life. People who you sleep with skin to skin. When this thing happen, during that period, go think can. You know, if you put on your body because you want to get paper. Go think can. If not be Enogie get on, give out to the who get on. We go laugh on a small, we go serious. We go mock on a small, we go serious. Then this one I did so. They come and they call the shout, they talk rubbish. I never get on a time. Because the one they do me now, they pass on my own. When I go on a time, now know me now. Let me bow this man. When I want to last a live video in Enogie. Man, I know you have better. Yeah, I'm anywhere. You know my story now. You know bow this man. Now you give you a chance now, just a shout. But one thing I want to let you know, why I'm not going to leave you. You won't go past Monica or justice for J-Boy. This is justice for Nora. You understand? You won't go past Monica home. Justice for Nora. Your Peking. Give us the DNA test of Nora. That is very, very important. On top of my laptop and my phone, they in case the sound is stubborn here. Understand? So you know, if I were you, I would seize my strength, focus on how to do DNA test to clear the hair in beneath cyberspace. You feel me? So that's so just be. Boy, that woman guy. I'm a joke. My reality. Oh, what that? That's my drink. Alright, my people, I greet off now. Let me leave you guys now. So I can focus on what I do. The more I know the tap now, I'm going to disturb the live video. So I'll leave you guys now. I will see you guys later. I told my work, I relax more. Then I'll give you now the really put now through. Okay, so no woman feed born for you. Yeah. But I get picking now. Jojo, you know, yes, I get picking. Build your depth, your leakage. My son is 10 years old. Are you not here? I'm going to throw my son myself. Are you not here? I ask you, where you picking with for Nigeria? Who they stay with? Why did they give him wish? Why mama call that picking wish? No, say never get Enogie time. If I get Enogie time, I can't play audio. And I made it talk, Baba will listen. When I get Enogie time, I can't bust this media with audio. When I relax, I'm chill. When I just chill, when I relax. If I get Enogie time, maybe yeah, I'm going in. Although you finish what I distributed, then we're here. The way I want to get married, you want. Or when you give me your whenever you know that woman be, then we turn and go play audio. You will escape and your boss. He done bust. 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 Gosh. I don't mention anybody name. Life Embracer. I am Life Embracer. Italy. Now this so. You understand? No matter a dog. They say I don't go see who my marry. For their present, I do marriage. They say I don't go see who my marry. For their present, 3 women, I put them online. I conference them, get WhatsApp for them as my wives. My wife association. I don't go see who my marry. I don't go see who my marry. Woman go inside my bedroom. I don't go see who my marry. Their mama, you come my house, I come fuck them. I don't go see who my go fuck me. I don't go see who my go love me. Their own mother. You get out of the all. You dig me one or papillona. I don't go see who my marry. I call Yan Shaft my room. She use peace finish my bed. No, na ghost I go marry. Way. Now ghost I go marry. Now soon I go come to social media make mad finish at the end of the day. Una mad go still kill now. As I can't do marry, waiting I can't talk to now. How I can't build now for body. I'm not going to see you now. I'm not going to see who I'm married. I married the most beautiful wife on social media as a whole. Yes, no, my wife is the most beautiful. Without no makeup, she's the most beautiful, sexy, gorgeous woman on social media. Within cyberspace as a whole. Don't check her. Hey, boy. None of them. Both the presenter wife, both the female presenters. Now my wife find past all of them. They know. Who want to check me? Make them come out with their life, with their face, without no makeup. Make my wife, when I go watch my wife video, no makeup. My wife not the makeup. They go watch their video without no makeup. Even with makeup, my wife still find past them. My wife is just natural. And they come here and come put a ziggy for your head. You're gonna be like this. It will not borrow. See this one. Also, I'm gonna say where they borrow hair for Sandra 2024. Sandra 2024, nobody they give you hair. Who your husband come beat last. You don't forget. Go buy hair. I give you it now. Go buy hair. You will say they use 2,000 euros to buy hair. Your house, you don't feel roof your house. Back flat, I never do one. You talk to woman with beautiful 2 flats, give your daughter. Dash. You dey talk to person wey buy. You feel build that dash person. What's that boy that they know? You wey no what's the boy that you wey? Nyama. And why that baby just work okpodo go mu you want your door for where? Why tell rubbish? I have nya gberu abo. At the end after that video, I'll come play your record. So I say, if I get your time, they come for you now. You never know about this man. I do they beg money for out of social media. I go play all of them. You won't go hear that. Someone say, well, man go down at your here. When we are begging you here, I go play everything. Just do my drink. I they come for now. See, piano. When I hear the talk now, or kekene we are seeing my ear, or second, I don't want you. You don't from the beginning to the end. When we are begging you here, or so we say. Enogie say beg. When I switch it to you. And how much did they give you if you go beg? How you wanted to live Enogie with Peking? I go talk everything. Boy, Baba with this man. You never see anything. I wanted to Saga me. No, I didn't Saga me. But the truth is that I never get their time. When I get their time, Mama is okay. As a wire, I so kenny. Then you will know that a lion is always the king of the forest. Okay, now we are so what? Who are all? I thought of because many men in at all. You understand? Anything at all. So I just have to come and relax my head. Let me do some little work I have on my phone. And then can dance to the next level. Also, you know, I can know baby. All right, people. Okay, people. 074085. Osa you even yaku no way. Osa yaku come yaku no way. Let's tell you now. Okay, let me leave you guys now so that I'll focus on what I'm doing, guys. Guys. I will sabe you. Then happy. Osa you even yaku no way. Osayueme, Yahiwe no wigby. O man, with him some polo. For them, we again. On a vessel. Let's do one of the things here. Oh no. Egg TV. Oh wow. Osayueme, Yahiwe no wigby. Kekya no. You're working. Osayueme, Yahiwe no wigby. Kekya no hila. Let's see where going. A quick comment over there, Miriam. Wow. Alright, let me leave you guys now. See you guys later. So that focus. Okay, now bye for now.